Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can add Facebook reviews to your 3dcart website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you'll get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is Facebook reviews. So let's click sign up for free. Now you want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail. It's like up to you. And when you will have it, click login. Now here in applications, you want to just write here Facebook reviews. And you're gonna see it here, Facebook reviews. Let's create a widget. Now, what you want to do, let me just close this. You want to choose between reviews, carousel, slider, grid. Let's continue with the template. Now you want to just connect this to your Facebook, pretty simple, right? Layout, review style, you can edit it as much as you want, and let's just click save. When you got it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version, but if you're gonna have 5,000, 50 or up to 5 million views, go with the basic, pro or enterprise version. Let's get the code here. Now, what you want to do is pretty simple. In your editor, you get to your editor like this. You go to view store, on right top corner, edit homepage, and now edit, preview, and you just add it here. Let me show you here. So you just click plus, spacer, and you just click here on HTML and paste the code. And voila, here you got it. What you can do also, like, try to center it to the middle if you want to. There's also the possibility if you like put two things. Let me show you. I know what's going to happen. Yes, and I can create another text right here. I could create like different text on also between that, and I can edit. It depends like how your page is going to work, but this is probably it. So yeah, thank you very much everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. I would choose somewhere where like columns, right? Like this one, or like where is a photo that you can edit to the middle. And then I would try to make it bigger. And this is what I would do. So yeah, thank you very much everybody. Have a great day and goodbye. You just need to play around it.